Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Experimental design questions often trick students, but we can solve this quickly by identifying the variables, units, and potential confounders in the specific research study scenario. The explanatory variable is the training received, while the response variable is the assessment score. Options A and B swap these definitions so we can safely eliminate them right now. The experimental units are the students themselves, not the assessment. The treatment is the note-taking training, not the biology lesson. This allows us to eliminate options C and D today. A confounding variable is an outside factor that affects the response. Since prior test-taking ability influences scores, it acts as a valid potential confounder. Option E is the correct answer. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't mix variables or ignore units. Always define roles and check for confounding factors carefully.